Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to review year-end financing stats. Now, at the end of each year, reviewing your Fundbox usage is going to help you to assess your borrowing habits, identify strengths, and uncover inefficiencies. This reflection is crucial for improving financial strategy in the next year. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is going to be to export your yearly Fundbox data. Go to your Fundbox dashboard and navigate to the activity or transactions history. Set the date range to cover the entire calendar year and export the data as a CSV or Excel file. Make sure it includes draw dates, amounts, fees, repayments, and of course outstanding balances. Step 2 is going to be to summarize key metrics. Now from your spreadsheet, you want to calculate total amount that's drawn, total fees paid, average draw size, total number of draws, months with highest usage, and of course outstanding balance at year end. These give you a snapshot of how heavily you relied on Fundbox. Step 3 is to compare to business outcomes. Match these metrics with your business results. Did your revenue increase in months with more Fundbox usage, or did you take more draws during cash crunches or growth period, or was borrowing reactive or strategic? Understanding context makes the numbers more meaningful. Step 4 is to evaluate cost versus value. Calculate effective annual cost of borrowing, return on investment from Fundbox, and whether borrowing leads to profitable opportunities or just survival. This helps you to decide if the financing was worth it or if you just need to adjust your approach. Step 5 is to prepare for the new year. Use your fundings to set borrowing goals for the upcoming year. Determine which months to increase or reduce usage. Also decide if you need to apply for a credit line increase or adjust repayment strategy. If you're meeting your financial goals with help from Fundbox, it may be time to scale up usage intentionally. Your year-end review helps to turn borrowing data into actionable insights. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.